Hi, this is Richard, and I'm back with another Photoshop tip. This time we're going to look at how to whiten somebody's teeth in Photoshop. We'll do it non-destructively as well. So I'll just select this layer here. It says Person, and I'm going to go over here to my this is the Quick Selection tool, and I'll hit Command plus a couple of times to zoom in. And now I'm going to select the teeth of this individual, and I'll hit the Option key, hold that down while I do this to get some of the gums out of the way, because we don't want the gums, we just want the teeth. So I'm holding down the Option key to deselect the gums, and let's see, I think that's pretty much the teeth. Let me get this one over here. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think it's a pretty good teeth selection. Okay, and I'll hold down the Option key again. Get that little bit of gum out of the way. Okay, I think this is right. Let's hit the Select and Mask button. Okay, that looks pretty much like we just got the teeth. So this is good, and we're outputting to a selection. So we hit OK. Now that we have this selection of the teeth, I'm just going to go down here to this little half moon, and just adjustment for an adjustment layer. I'm going to choose Hue Saturation. Okay. Now, if I were just to whiten the teeth as is right now, because you see the mask. Let me just show you this really quickly. If I hold down the Option key and tap this mask, you see we have a mask of the teeth. So they are selected from our in our hue saturation adjustment layer. But if I were just to whiten the teeth right now, it would give me a kind of a bright yellow, which is not what we want, because there's some yellowing in these teeth. So what we want is some teeth that are white. So what I'll do is first I'll drop the saturation of the teeth. You see what we're doing here is removing the color entirely so that they come closer to being just a dull white. We don't want to drop it too much because then they start turning gray, but we're just going to drop it down to get rid of most of the yellow from the teeth. So here's the before, here's the after. Okay, so we already got rid of the yellow. Now I'm going to crank up the lightness a little bit to brighten the teeth. Okay. And that's cranking it up a little bit here. So I'm going to zoom out by hitting Command 0. And now we can see this is the before and this is the after. So definitely an improvement. We got rid of the yellow and brightened the teeth. Now you have to be very careful when you do this not to overdo the brightness of the teeth, because quickly your subject will begin to look like an alien, and it will not be believable at all. So when in doubt, under-whiten the teeth. Once again, I can come up here and adjust, because it's just an adjustment layer. At any point, I can make changes and crank down the whiteness a little bit. I think this is still believable right around here, that he has these teeth that are this white. Let's see here. This is before and the after. Yeah, that's still pretty believable. But if we were to go, that's at 13 for the lightness. If we were to go way up here, you see now he becomes not even human anymore. So we got to keep it believable here, like say 13 or so. So that is how you whiten teeth non-destructively in Photoshop. You can see it's very quick and easy. This is Richard. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.